Hi friends, welcome to Examatic YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to solve problems in dice. These problems can be solved even within a minute or even within 30 seconds. Here, I have also solved the problems from previous year question papers. I have prepared this video by referring several materials and question papers. So, by watching this video till the end, I hope you need not refer any other materials for this topic. If you find this video useful, like, share with your friends, subscribe and click the bell icon so that it will be an encouragement for me to prepare more such videos. Come on, let's move on to the topic. Everybody know that die is a cube which is made of 6 equal sides and numbers will be plotted in those sides from 1 to 6. So here we are going to see two different types of dice, and based on that types of dice we are going to see how to solve the problem. So there are two different types of dice. One is a standard die and another one is a general die. So now we are going to see about the general die. In general die, if the sum of any two visible sides is equal to 7, then that die is considered to be a general die. So consider this die, okay, first die, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So this die is considered to be a general die. And this die also, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, and this die is also considered to be a general die. Okay. The next we are going to see about the characteristics of the standard die. If the sum of any two visible sides is not equal to 7, so if you add any two visible sides you will not get 7. So such die 5 plus 4 is 9 and 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5. So if you add any two visible sides then you will not be getting 7 in the case of standard die. The steps to solve the problems in die. Usually in examinations they will be asking the die problem like find the opposite side of 6, find the opposite side of 1 or find the opposite side of 2 like that. So they will be giving different views of a particular die and they will be asking the opposite sides. Okay. So in solving the problem in die we have to first step is we have to identify whether it is a standard die or whether it is a general die. If it is a standard die, that is the sum of any two visible sides is not equal to 7. Okay, so in this time these two dice if we take the sum of two visible sides is not equal to 7, so these two dice are considered to be the standard dice. So the opposite side of a particular side is 7 minus that particular side. Okay. For example, if you want to find out what is the opposite side of 1, okay, 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. Opposite side of 2 is 7 minus 2 is 5. Opposite side of 3 is 7 minus 3 is 4. Opposite side of 6 is 7 minus 6 is 1, like that. We will be easily identifying the answer for if it is a standard die. In the case of general die, the sum of any two visible sides is equal to 7. So in this case, the sum of 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So these two dies are considered to be the general die. Okay. So here in the case of general die we have two different cases. One is the dice which has the common numbers. Okay. So here only one number is common. In the other case we have two numbers common, that is 1 and 3 here in this die, and in this view 1 and 3. So we have two different cases. If in a die if two different dice have common number, so from that common number we have to write either in anti-clockwise direction or in clockwise direction. In this case I am going to write it in anti-clockwise direction, that is starting from the common number 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Here 1, 5 and 6. 1, 5 and 6. So after writing like this, it will be easy for us to find out the opposite sides. That is, the opposite side of 3 is 6, the opposite side of 2 is 5, and opposite side of 1 is the number that is not present in these two rows. The number that is not present in these two rows is 4. So the opposite side of 1 is 4. In the case of second case, we have both side have same numbers. That is 1 3 in this view and 1 3 also in this view. So in this case, the opposite side of 2 is 5. That is the opposite side of 2 is 5. Okay. So because these two sides have the common numbers. We will be seeing some more examples. Find the number opposite to 6. We have 4 different views of a single die. So in this case we have to find out the opposite side of 6. So the first step is, as usual, we have to identify whether it is a general die or a standard die. So here, if you add any two sides, visible sides, we will not be getting 7. So this die is considered to be a standard die. If it is a standard die, we know that the opposite side of 6 is 7 minus 1. The opposite side of 6 is 7 minus 6. It is equal to 1. Okay. If it is a standard die, we will be able to identify in a fraction of second. The second problem. Find the number opposite to 2. So in this case they have given 4 views of a single die, and first step is we have to identify whether it is a standard die or a general die. So here in the second view we will be able to know that it is a general die. Okay, so now we have to find out two views that has a common number. So in this case I have taken the first view and the second view. Okay, first die and the second die. Okay, now I have written in clockwise direction. It is 2 6 3 from this first die, and starting from 2 again in a clockwise direction 2 5 and 4. 2 5 and 4. So now here the opposite side of 2 is the number that is not present in these two rows, that is 1. So the opposite side of 2 is 1. The third problem, find the number opposite to 6. So this is a very easy question. So here they have given three different views of a die. So in this case, in first die and third die we have two common faces containing the same numbers, that is 1 and 4. So the opposite side of 6 is 2. Okay, the problem 4, find the number opposite to 6. So in this case they have given 4 different views of a single die. Our first step is we have to find out whether it is a general die or a standard die. So from the second view we are able to identify it is a general die. And as usual we have to find out the common numbers between two different views. So I have taken the first view and the second view. So I have written the numbers in clockwise direction 2 6 and 3 from the first view, and from the second view starting from 2 5 and 4 in clockwise direction. So the opposite side of 6 is 5. Fifth problem, they have given just two different views, and they have asked what is the opposite side of 1. Since it is a standard die, the opposite side of 1 is 7 minus 1, that is 6. This is a special case where instead of numbers they have given special symbols like and symbol, plus, asterisk, hash, percentage and minus symbols like that. And they have asked to find out what are the opposite sides of each symbol. So we have to follow the same procedure that is given for general die. Find out the common symbol in two dies. So I have taken first and second die, and the common symbol is asterisk symbol. From the asterisk symbol I have written in clockwise direction. So asterisk and plus from the first die, asterisk, percentage and hash from the second die. Then we will be able to identify easily what is the opposite sides for each symbol. Opposite side of plus is hash, opposite side of and symbol is percentage, and opposite side of asterisk is the symbol that is not available in these two rows. The symbol that is not available in these two rows is minus, that is the opposite sign of asterisk symbol. So now we are going to see some of the questions from the previous year question papers. If you are not able to understand what I have taught in the previous slides, you better watch this video twice or thrice. I hope you can be able to understand. So from this part onwards, you work out yourself and check the answers in the slide. Okay. So now we are going to see the first question. A dice thrown 4 times produces the following results. Which number will appear opposite to number 3? So first step, as usual, we have to find out whether it is a general die or a standard die. Okay. So from the first view, we will be able to identify 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. Okay. So it is a general die. So we have to identify the common numbers between these views. We have to write it in either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So I have taken the second view and the third view. So the common number is 5. Starting from 5, 4, starting from 5 I have written in anti-clockwise direction, that is 5, 2, 4 from the second die, and starting from 5 anti-clockwise direction once again 5, 1 and 3. So here I have written the opposite side of 3 is 4. You'll be easily able to identify. Then the next question. In a die given below, the number opposite to the number 2 is. So it is a standard die. So the number opposite to 2 is 7 minus 2, that is 5. Third question. So we are able to identify what is the opposite side of 4. So in this case, we have two sides with common numbers, that is 3 and 5 in this die and 3 and 5 in this die. So the opposite side of 4 is 1. Question 4. Three views of a cube are given below. What is the letter opposite to A? So in this case, instead of numbers, they have given alphabets. So how to solve it? So the same procedure that is followed in for a general die. Find out the two views that has a common letter. So I have taken the first view and the second view. Then the common letter is K, and I have written it in anti-clockwise direction. That is KAB from the first view, KHM from the second view, and the opposite side of A is H. Fifth problem. Consider the following dice. They have given 4 different views, and they have asked what is the opposite to 3. Consider the following die. They have given 4 different views, and they have asked what is the opposite to 3. So in this case, it is a standard die, and the opposite to 3 is 7 minus 3, that is 4. 3 positions of the same die are given. Find the number opposite to the side represented by 2. So it is a general die because the first view, the sum of the two sides is 7. So find the common number, write it in 2 rows. I have taken, in this example, I have taken 4, 3, 5, that is from the second view, and 4, 2, 1 from the third view. So you can take any view, no problem. So I have taken the second and third view. Okay. So the opposite side of 2 is 3. Seventh question, the number opposite to 1 in the given die is. They have given 3 different views. Since it is a standard die, the opposite to 1 is 6. Thank you everybody for viewing this video. If you have any doubt, leave it in the comment section. Thank you.